minutes to go.
Let's go, Sifan! Let's go, Sifan! Let's go! Sifan! 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 And the rest of the field.
Tell them you can run the 100. She's not my please.
It's on about 14:15 pace now. Sifan Hasan, though she's going to be chasing potentially the pre-classic record after the export.
Hey, how y'all feeling about Sifan?
Tokyo Olympic Games.
How y'all feeling?
Points.
We got this.
29
We got this. It's too easy.
Flags are dropped by the tower. Win this year. Our double Olympic champions have gone back down on the straight here.
Because y'all got the flag from somewhere.
What? Wait, is that the right? Is that the right one? Let's go, Sifan! Let's go! Sifan! 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 Sifan!
Battle behind the group of three athletes. Chemyong of Kenya battling again with Ethiopia and Zabiri. Working to beat Ethiopia as well coming through. 2 laps to go.
Let's go.
Our women's 5,000 metre runners spaced around the track here. Behaving all with their own goals, all with their own targets.
Woo, woo! Let's go, Sifan! Let's go, Sifan! 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 Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Sifan!
In this Olympic year, you guys won right beyond your feet. With Sifan Hasan as she goes down the back straight. Cooper and Monson going through, having their own little battle. So, let's make some noise for a brilliant right here in Eugene. There are Figicha.
Oh my God, you got one. Hey,
He's going to take up the victory on the final lane contest tonight.
I'll be right back. Sifan, let's go! Sifan! 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 Hey!
let's go, Sifan.
Yes! Yes, Oromoo!
The support going folks, our 5,000 metres.
Let's go, Sifan! Let's go, Sifan!
Let's go,
Let's go, Sifan!
Finishing your campaign here.
Sifan. Sifan.
Sifan! 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 Sifan!
Good job, everyone else.
Sifan Hasan, season's best, 14:27.89.
Hey, she gonna come talk to us. Sifan! Let's go, Sifan! 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 Yes! Yes!
Let's go, baby.
It's okay. Hey, we'll give her more.
Hand down.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Sifan!
Sifan Hasan, when she's ready.
Hey, thanks for asking.
You ready, Rob, to rock and roll? Let's hear from Sifan.
All right, thank you very much, Cap. Sifan, you have had a summer of conviction and confidence. You went into the Olympic Games looking for 3 Olympic gold medals, fell just shy of that. You came here to Hayward Field searching for a world record. What possesses you to chase such bold objectives and goals?
That's a letter.
I really work hard and I always like challenge and last year, 2 years ago I planned 1500 meter and 10,000 meter. After that I want more than that challenge. That's why I decided 3 events in Tokyo. Alhamdulillah, I did 2 gold and 1 bronze. But this world record was like 6 months ago I planned. But after Tokyo I'll take 1 week off. I was so tired and I was like a bit of injury. But alhamdulillah, I pushed hard, I couldn't do anything more. I did everything here to run world record.
Let's go! Hey!
With so much success, what else is left for you? What do you want to achieve in
We
your
need
career?
more!
I want to get a couple gold medals in world champion and Olympic and I want to break a couple world record.
That's right! That's right!
10 kilometers, I want to go on the 29.
Well, we wish you the best of luck. Certainly, those are bold, audacious goals. Congratulations. Sifan Hasan, your winner.
Let's go! Sifan!
Well, thank you, Sifan. Just being so honest with you.
Hey! 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 Let's go, Sifan! Let's go! Let's go, Sifan! Let's go, Sifan!
You gotta take her to dinner.
Yes! That's right!
Let me take a picture with her fresh done.
I know. Work on the picture first. Shit.
As I mentioned, we get going just on.
Gara naman ko. I don't get it, thank you. Not yet. Hey! Sifan! 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 job, good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Sifan.
My man.
Jirta.
Send this out to everybody.
Hold on, can we get? Hey, can we get in? Can we get in? Hello. Hey. Let's go, yeah. Let's go, Sifan. Thank you, Sifan. Thank you, Sifan. Thank you, Sifan. Thank you. Get in there. Oh yeah, it's okay. Get in there. Hey, Sifan, parang chawalin lekay. There you go, Scott.
You want to get a picture? Come on. Get this picture, somebody.
Yes. Yeah. We got you here. Right here. There you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sifan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, you guys, share it go down. Share it go down. Two for take hella pictures.
Sifan. You guys look over here. Look at the front.
Look at the camera.
Let's
go.
Yes. Hey. Let's go.
Wow.
Thank you, Sifan.
Wow. Number one. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, we are. Oh, cool. Oromoo. Are you here in Oregon? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Let's go. Oromoo, let's go, Sifan. Let's go. Champs. We champs.
Everybody's here for you.
Yes.
We're here for you.
Yes.
You're the GOAT. Greatest of all time.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, let's go, Ash. You better share that picture.
This Abdullah. Can you get this real quick? How am I gonna get it? Hey, Sifan. Hey, daima way was Bring it over. Here, I'll give it to her. Here, Eddie. Eddie, here, hold this. Hey, you can't get it? Here, Eddie. It's okay, honey. Here. It's okay.
It's fine.
Okay. Good job.